How to repurpose and rebrand small, tiny PLR and create a real product out of it. This is an important topic, and I love talking about repurposing and rebranding PLR. This is so important for you, and that's why I keep talking about it in this channel. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products, and make money with PLR. This is the product that I created, and this is what I started with. This is a product from Jimmy D. Brown, and I'm pretty sure you can't get this anymore. This was a very small product. It cost, I think, $195 or $97, something like that. But it was a small product, and I love the idea. It's for someone who doesn't know how to price a product. Meaning, people have a hard time figuring out, well, should this be $17? Should it be $77? Should it be $197? Like, what? How do you know the value of the product and what you should charge? The irony was that I created a course about 5 or 6 years ago called The Most Expensive Fear. Now, if you're trying to sell something and you don't know what to charge, and if you don't know how to ask for money at the end of the sale and you lose the sale, that's the most expensive fear, because people are really afraid of asking for money when they're selling something. The irony is really amazing. I focused towards women in this product. It's a long story. It's a real course. It's amazing. And I did this years ago, and it's just wonderful. It's a real course, and I love it. So I made it OTO, an upsell from Jimmy Brown's product, and I changed the name. The original name is Pricing for Profit. And I thought, well, there's a lot of P's, and I didn't really get it. Pricing for Profit. Yeah, I understand what he was going with it, but I really didn't like the name. People don't look for pricing for profit. They really want to answer the question, what do I charge? So that's what I called it. What should I charge? It's an easy to do course on pricing a product or a course or anything. I love dancing, and I go to a ballroom place and it's like $1,000 for a whole course, and I go swing dancing and it's like $20 a pop. And the problem is, certain businesses in the dance field, they don't know what to charge. Sometimes it's free, sometimes it's a lot of money. So in the business world, charging money, what do you charge, is a problem. So I created this product. So let's move on to PLR. This was the original course, and this was the page, and it looked like this. And you're going to see this again because I used this graphic, but it's not really pretty, but PLR really isn't. You really have to jazz it up to rebrand it, put your own voice on it, put your name on it, photos. So this is plain and ordinary, which is normal. He even had a worksheet, and I didn't really use that. There's a sales letter. I didn't use the sales letter, but I took the information from the sales letter and I created this. So that's the sales letter. There's a video. I get to the point. It's only $27. Why? Because I thought that is the price point. I actually used the course to figure that out. Why not? It's pretty good. $27. So while this is not a video about how to build a website and graphics and the cart and how to get the money and all that, I'll show you what I used, and I'll put the links in the description under this video. You'll get everything. So I used Thrive Themes with this page, specifically Thrive Architect. And this was easy to do. I took the graphic, I made a video, I made this page. You click on that and it goes to the cart. What do I use? Thrive Cart. And I have a lot of products in Thrive Cart. It's wonderful. I use this all the time. Why? Because it really works. It really does. Look at all these products. And they were easily done. And this is what it looks like. In this particular product, they put their information in there. They go to step 2. They put the PayPal or credit card. They push the button. Poof. The product is downloaded to their computer. Wonderful. That's Thrive Cart. There's a link in the description. The next question is, what about the cover? How do you make it look so nice? The graphic for Jimmy's product, Pricing for Profit, is on the left side. So what did I change? The color, the name, my name on there, and a few other things. And I turn it into an e-cover, a beautiful graphic. So how do you make all these graphics? I use Canva. Look at this. Hundreds of them. Logos, everything. Canva. I can't live without it. And once you finish the product in Canva, you turn it into an e-cover using e-cover authority. Again, everything is in the description. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful books. Real stuff. iPads, CD covers, everything. So this is all part of rebranding and repurposing your PLR. Seriously, if you just take the PLR that you buy and you just slap your name on it and use it the way it is, it's probably not going to sell well because PLR really needs to be rebranded. So all of the tools that you need are in the description. Use them. Some of them are free. Some are lifetime deals. Take a look and see what you can use. I am Brian Toder of PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And we'll talk soon.